Hey everybody, welcome to another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. I'm your host Buddy Blackford, and today we're going to be learning about how to combine different layers. And the actual technical term in Photoshop is called merging layers. And there are different kinds of ways to merge layers, such as merging down and merging all the visible layers and things like that, and we'll go over everything in this tutorial. So merging layers lets you take the characteristics of both layers and combine them together. So if you combine a layer to the background layer, then it's going to add to the background layer. If you combine a layer that uses a blending mode to another layer that doesn't, then both layers are going to now have that new blending mode. So that's what merging does. It also puts, like, if you have two pictures and they're both on separate layers, you can merge them together and just have them on one layer, so then you can transform them together as a pair. Alright, let's get started. So some of our merge options are going to be in the layers options panel. So if we come to the layers panel here and then come to the very top right of it and click on our layers option panel, we now have some of our objects here. Some of our options here. We've got merge down and we've got merge visible here in the options menu. So all merge down means is that it's going to merge from the layer that you have selected, and it's going to merge into the next layer down. So right now I have this picture of Bucky here, where I'm flashing it right now, and then the layer below it is the bass, holding the bass there. So I'm just going to merge down. Oops. And we notice that we're not able to merge down right now, and it's grayed out and we can't do anything. So the reason why that is because this layer here needs to be rasterized, the layer that's below. So if we right click on it and go to rasterize layer, that makes it so it's now pixels. If we go back up to our layer that we wanted to merge down with and then come to our layer options, we can now do it. And now these two are merged into one. If I take my move tool and move them around, they move around as one. So I'm going to hit control, I'm going to step back so that way they're not merged anymore. And I wanted to let you know that there's a hotkey to quickly merge down, and that is Control E. So if I hold Control and I press E, it's going to merge down, and you can see that they're moved down or merged together again. So that's basically the merge down, and the next thing I want to show you is the merge visible option. So merge visible just takes everything that you have that's visible, which is these eye icons here. If they're off, then they're not visible. If they're on, then they are visible. So I'm just going to take some of these and then turn them off. So we've got these two here that are visible, and the background. Let me turn the background off. I don't want to have that on. I'll just put this up there or something. So now we have just these that are visible. Let's go to the layer options and then go to merge visible. Got to rasterize. There we go. Merge visible. And now all three of these should be merged together. Now I'll put these back on, and let's move these. Yep, and all these are merged together, which is sweet. So that's what merge visible does. And there's also another powerful tool just called merge layers. And merging layers, you can select whatever layers you want. They don't have to be visible, they can be invisible, whatever you want. So let me hide this one here, and then we'll try to merge that with the one that is visible. So if I right click, we can find merge layers here, and I can merge them together. And what happens is that since the layer was invisible that had Bucky on it, it actually got clipped out and now it is gone. So that is like a side effect of merging layers that aren't visible. So let's turn it back on, and now let's merge them. Merge layers. And now that one's not invisible, they're now merged together and actually have this together, and actually are together. So that's a little bit about merging layers there. So it's kind of, the way to find these is kind of goofy, but if you right click, you can find your merge down and merge visible. If you have two of them selected and then you right click, the merge, oops, let me right click, the merge down becomes merge layers, as you can see there, and then you still have your merge visible. Same thing with the layer options there. You can do it that way. And as you can see, the merge visible has shift control plus E as the hotkey. So that's all about merging layers. Use them when you need to combine layers together to basically have them into one layer. It helps clean up things, and it helps pretty much add properties that other layers have to another layer and combine them together. So thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next videos. Have a good one.